Hello my dear viewers, hope all of you are doing well. Please don't forget to support me with a like and share my video with your friends or anyone who is interested to know about the ESL companies. All the things that you wanna know is here. So I'll keep you watching me today's video about ALO7 online tutoring platform. We are going to give a brief overview, a short review, requirements, the payments, and all related to that. So keep you watching me. So let's first have a short introduction about ALO7. It is the largest digital English language teaching product and solutions provider in China. So it's originated Chinese company with more than 10 million registered users and more than 2,000 training school partners. They have resolutions the way of English that they have to talk and learner in China as well outside of China. How schools are managed to how schools and homes are connected in the mobile internet age. So it's online tutoring. Obviously, it is going to be from home, or the requirement to teach in this company are native English speakers from the US, Canada, UK, or Australia. You must have a bachelor degree or better in any subject or currently be enrolled in a 4-year college program. Have a TESOL or CELTA certificate ESL education. Teaching or tutoring experience is preferred, and have free time during peak tutoring hours from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Beijing time. And also, there are some special requirements, especially for the one who are not belongs to native speakers. Maybe they got accepted. They must have a natural or IELTS band 9 to teach in this company. And you have to be passionate about teaching. Lastly, let's talk about the payment. So ALO7 states their teachers earn between $17 to $22 per 15 minutes. And this amount of pay includes incentives. Without incentives, the base rate for most teaching programs is 7.5 for a 25-minute class and $15 per 50-minute class. Certain programs such as top school program have a higher base rate for between 20 for 50 minutes plus incentives. So you can up to earn $22 per 50 minute, and the base rate is about $20 without incentives. Okay, so let's talk about the other opportunity. They have also other opportunities and offers for freelancers to outstanding tutors in the following areas. They have writing, presentation development, curriculum development, recruiting, and training. So I think I share all the things which I have about this platform. It is accepting mostly the UK, US, Australia, New Zealand, or if you want to say native speakers only, and people who are having teaching certificates, also a bachelor degree, and the basement pay is about $17 to $22. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much for watching me at the end. Don't forget to like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye.